Morning, everybody. Let's have a look at the Dow today. So, similar pattern to what's been happening all week. We are still respecting this weekly Dickinson, and let's just move it more there. Okay, so we are still respecting this weekly Dickinson, and let's make it blue. So when we look at it on the lower time frame, we know what it is. And I just want to see the level that we're respecting or attempting to respect. By the looks of things, it's the bottom of this area here, which does make sense because you've got all this interaction here. 1, 2, rejection off there, 3, 4, rejection, and another rejection building at the moment. So let's get to the daily. And it's fascinating to see how the 200-day EMA has been defended. You can see how the buyers stepped in right on the level and pushed price back up. So, from Ichimoku's perspective, we have a future which is bearish. Okay, so in other words, the twist happened. It happened a couple of times, and the cloud is red. So, in other words, you expect more downside. However, the cloud has also got a flat top, which indicates you are going to be ranging. We had a bearish crossover now, so you can see how Dickinson and Kijinson have swapped around. So blue above red is what you're looking for in a uptrend, and red above blue is what you look for in a downtrend. However, when we're twisting around like this, you can discount a lot of that and focus more on price action because it could just come to here and move down and really just range about. Okay. So the thing that is still the area of support is this area, as I said yesterday. Now the question is, we're still in a downtrend, as you can see, and the buyers are coming in here. So can we expect another move up and then another push down? Because what we have building is a flat bottom triangle. You can see how we keep making lower highs, but yet the bottom the buyers step in all at the same level. And if this breaks the downside, this distance from there to there is the move to the downside. Okay. So for now, it's very difficult to call shorts at this level. Okay. You're more inclined to buy from the bottom and chase it to the top. And the question always is, where is the top, right? Let's just get to the 4 hour. So you can see how the buyers, sellers stepped it down, buyers stepped in and just pushed it all the way back up to the top. Now we are below the cloud, and we are below Kijinson on the 4 hour. So this could be another push down that's going to build. Okay, or we could push through. Now, when was it? Here. So you can see what happened here is we had follow through before coming back and then pushing to the upside. And you can see that pattern there and off the same level. So, are we going to get some follow through? That's the thing that we need to look for. And I'm not entirely convinced, but let's just have a look at what price action is telling us. So for starters, we've had a crossover. We've had a bullish crossover. We're about to get a twist on the hour, and Chico span has broken through price. So we could very well be forming a consolidation phase here, okay, for a second push up. Now, what's the bet the second push is going to target this area here? So let's just do that. So there to the bottom. We can take it to there if we want to. Let's just leave it on there. So that takes us to almost in the same area, R2 daily. and we have a previous breakout here, which is there. Now, what I want to do is just go to the daily, and let's just put this trend line in. Let's just adjust it to there, and come back to the hour and see. Okay, so that takes us almost to the downtrend line. So I think the trade idea I have for today will be as follows. If we break to the upside here, we can expect more upside, and you can challenge, will definitely challenge that area there with this pin bar, which is also a previous breakout, and then you will challenge that area there. You can see there's tails there, and after that you'll hit this level up here. Now, if we break to the downside, then we're hitting this bottom side again. So I think this range is what you need to worry about. Anything, a solid break to the downside here on the hour will give us more downside. A solid break to the upside will break the cloud, and this bullish signals on the ichimoku will play out. The other thing that could happen is a pullback from there to the daily pivot, and that would take us to R2 daily, which is also, you see a bit of a flat cloud here, and I don't see anything else there. So that's kind of the scenario that I think we're going to have play out today. If we do drop to the downside, there will be buyers here, and there will be a long sitting here to the upside. If we do break this, we'll probably have a bit of continuation to here. And bear in mind it's Friday, so people are going to be selling, not holding over the weekend. So just keep that in mind. So whatever move to the upside happens will be short-lived, and then the sellers will step in as they take profit. So what I'll do is I'll put my trade in on the comments of the video, because it's kind of difficult to give you an exact entry a couple of hours before the market opens. So just watch the comments and you'll see my actual trade. Anyway guys, I hope that helps. That's the Dow, and give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you later.